So 3 tips on getting an IT job here in Sweden or in Europe. So not exclusively in Sweden. These 3 tips is based on my personal and my friends' experience. Number 1 is LinkedIn. This is my top one because most of my friends who are now in Europe got their job in LinkedIn. One of them even didn't even apply or actively pursue a company. She just uploaded her resume and she was contacted by a company. Now she's in Germany. But I won't say this is an easy path too. So my friends went through a lot of technical interviews, even exams. So if one of my friends who shared his experience in my TikTok account actually failed a lot of interviews before he got the job. But I would say just put your resume in LinkedIn and mark yourself as an active job seeker, and I think that will make the chances bigger. So yeah, I totally recommend. Number 2 is Relocate.me. I actually don't have a personal experience with Relocate.me, but one friend got a job in Austria. She's now in Austria. I actually browsed this website. They have a lot of IT jobs available there, not only in Europe, but also in Asia, America. So I would say that website is looking promising and legit because I have a friend. The last tip is internal hiring. And actually, this is the case that was true for me, even though I had successful job interview invitation with German and Swedish companies that I applied for in LinkedIn. I also decided to took the chance to apply for the vacancies for my current company abroad. And yeah, I guess I got lucky on that one. I would say since you are already working in the company, they already build a trust. They already know your work ethics, your performance. So this sort of existing relationship is being valued in a global company. So I would say just